Hi, this is Dusty with One Water Yacht Group. Today we're here in St. Petersburg, Florida for a 2007 Albemarle 41 Express. Join me as we take a closer look at this exceptional boat that's been very well maintained, just had a recent major service including aftercoolers, transmissions, fuel coolers. Thank you so much for taking the time to have a closer look at this 2007 Albemarle 41 Express. Again, this is Dusty with the One Water Yacht Group. If you have any questions on this vessel or any boat that you may have interest in, you can contact me at the information below. We'll look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.